King. Is everyone ready? Let's go to the lake!
Look outside. The trees are very green.
I see cows in the field. They are eating grass.
I like this music. It is very relaxing.
We are at the park. Look at the water.
Let's sit under that big tree. There is shade there.
Help me with the blanket, Mike. Pull your side.
The grass is soft. I am taking off my shoes.
Who wants a sandwich? I have turkey and cheese.
I am very hungry. I want an apple first.
Cheers! Happy Saturday!
Look at that butterfly. It is orange and black. I am full now. The food was delicious.
Who wants to play frisbee? Come on! Come on!
I do. Let's play together.
Catch me if you can. I am fast.
Catch the frisbee, Chrissy. Here it comes.
I got it. That was a good throw, Mom.
Great job, Chrissy. Good catch.